In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in Xero with this simple guide for 2025. Xero can be a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and knowing how to effectively record your expenses is crucial for accurate accounting. Today, we're diving into the process of recording a spend money transaction, which is ideal when expenses are paid directly from your business account or company credit card without an invoice. Let's get started by accessing the spend money function. First, you'll want to navigate to your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, locate the bank account that you use to make the payment. You'll find the Manage Account button, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Click on it, and then select Spend Money from the drop-down menu. This is one of the most straightforward ways to ensure every expenditure is accurately logged and matched later on. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker route, Xero provides a global Quick Add button, represented by a plus icon at the top of your screen. Either method you choose will bring you to the Spend Money page, where you'll enter the transaction details. Now that you've accessed the Spend Money function, it's time to fill in the details of your transaction. Start by entering the name of the supplier or payee in the To field. Be sure you've got the correct date noted. It should reflect the actual date the transaction occurred. Next, check that the Paid From section indicates the right bank account used for this payment. It's vital to provide a clear description of what the purchase was for, so jot that down in the Description field. This ensures clarity when you or others review this transaction later. You'll also see a section labeled Account. Here, you need to select the most appropriate expense account from your chart of accounts. For example, if you bought office supplies, you might select Office Expenses. This step helps categorize your spending and simplifies tracking your financials throughout the year. Before we proceed to the next step, I want to point your attention to the top of this video's description, where you'll find a link to download Xero if you haven't already, or a direct link to access their website for steps and further resources. Continuing with the details, ensure you enter the unit price and quantity accurately. Don't skip selecting the correct tax rate applicable to your transaction, as this could affect your financial reporting. Finally, let's wrap it up by saving this transaction. Click the Save button and voila! You've successfully created the entry in Xero. Once this transaction appears in your bank feed, you can match it during your reconciliation process to ensure everything lines up. So that's how you add an expense in Xero. Following these steps closely will help keep your financial records tidy and up to date. Thanks for watching and happy accounting!